Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all safe and well, with an extra emphasis on well, because I caught whatever that was going around that everyone was getting. I caught that, and I'm happy to say that I think I'm over the worst of it. So this video is not about that. Let's get straight on into this M&S vegan Christmas haul. So now that all of the Christmas decor and decorate videos are all out the way, now it's time to focus on Christmassy foods. So we popped into M&S and let me show you everything that I picked up from their Christmas range. So the first food item that we got, and I think this is actually the reason that we went to M&S, because we went to a friend's Christmas party and she had these on display. They are snowmen bao buns, and they're totally vegan, so we really enjoyed them, and this is actually the reason we went to M&S, because we said we need to get some of these for ourselves. So we got a pack of these. The next item we got is this vegan cheese selection. I've not tried this from M&S before, but I remember trying something similar from another supermarket and really enjoyed that one Christmas, so got these. And that cheese selection was from their Plant Kitchen range. And then something else that's also part of their Plant Kitchen range are these cheese swirls. When I look at these, they just remind me of Christmas. I always remember my aunt having something similar on a Christmas table. Every Christmas she had something like this, so I always make sure I pick these up around Christmas. Tash then got a pack of their sage and onion stuffing mix. This one's also gluten-free as well. I'm not a huge fan of stuffing, so this is not for me at all, but she got this one. We then got a pack of Percy Pigs. This is part of their Christmas range. This flavour is sour apple and sweet cherry. We then also got some black olive crackers, which would just be nice to put out when we're having our cheese. And then something else that goes really lovely with the kind of picky foods. So we've got some tomato salsa. We haven't completely decided what we're doing for Christmas this year, whether we're going to spend it at home, just the two of us, or whether we're going to go to my aunt's. So if we do decide to stay at home, we'll be putting these things out on Christmas Day on the table and then just kind of helping ourselves throughout the day. If not, we'll probably do it maybe on Christmas Eve, maybe just set up the table on Christmas Eve, or I mean, there's plenty of other days to get through this food, so we'll have no problem getting through. We also got some olives. This is a mixture of garlic, olives and sun-dried tomatoes. I absolutely love this mix. We then also got a pack of spring rolls as well. And then we got a pack of no prawn crackers. I'm sure I pick these up whenever I go to M&S. And then just because we got some easy peelers as well. And then lastly, the last item I got, not food related. I'm obsessed with cleaning products, but I've seen this all over TikTok. I remember looking up one day how to descale your kettle, and this kept popping up everywhere I looked. This kept popping up all over TikTok, and so I told myself the next time I went into M&S I would get a bottle of this. Now, I have actually tried their stain remover wipes, and I must say they are really, really good. So have high hopes for this, and I don't think it will let me down. So yeah, this is their appliance descaler. And that concludes my haul. That's everything that I picked up this time from M&S. Really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please give this video a big like if you did, and if you haven't done already, please make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.